Now, I've been looking at the news for a long time, and I've seen some of the people say some of the dumbest things, both on YouTube, on news, documentaries. People are really dumb. Human beings are smart. People are dumb. This proves it. Superintendent says students are armed with rocks in case of a school shooting. Apparently, according to this superintendent, the kids can just chuck rocks at a person holding a gun. Talk about bringing a knife to a gunfight. Well, what about the superintendent of the Blue Mountain School District is in the spotlight after telling lawmakers in Harrisburg, this is in Pennsylvania, his students protect themselves against potential school shooters with rocks. Every classroom has been equipped with a 5-gallon bucket of river stone. If an armed intruder attempts to gain entrance into any of our classrooms, they will face a classroom full of students armed with rocks, and they will be stoned, said Dr. David Helsel. That was what he told to a House Education Committee last week. He actually calls this unconventional form of protecting students, and that's putting it mildly. It's an idiotic plan of protecting students. You would just have to read this for yourself. I actually saw this come up on my Facebook feed, and I thought, no way. Well, a little research, and Channel 17 on ABC, the news station, has done a piece on this. It matters because it will help protect the schools. Anything helps. Rocks are better than books and pencils, according to one of the teenagers that they interviewed. Well, I have heard of books protecting children from being shot, acting as shields. Where my daughter goes to school, they told her that 2 textbooks would stop a bullet. She usually has 3 or 4 in her book bag. I think I would rather have that than her to have a bucket of rocks next to her desk. You may love this idea, you may hate it. I personally think it's an idiotic idea. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description. Thank you for watching my video. God bless.